small, but our skills go higher. Hacking the code, we set it on fire. Yo, I'm not an ugly hacker, I'm a hacker from Nepal. Where Everest rises, we break every wall. From the Himalayas, I crack your line. No border, no limit, I redefine. We speak in code, but the message is clear. NepHack's the name that everyone fears. From the valleys to the web, we own this space. Hacking the system at a digital pace. Hot mind through streets to cyber zones. We rep our roots, making it known. Nepal's in the mix, breaking the frame. Hacker from Nepal, changing the game, reaching the legends, crafting the beast. NepHack's the platform, rising in the east. You wanna learn hacks? Yeah, we got the plan. From newbies to pros, all part of the clan. Ancient culture with future tech. We code like warriors, show respect. You think you're safe? We're deep in the stream. NepHack's code warriors, kings of the dream. I hack with honor, but I had to win. Nepal in my veins is where I begin. You see the mountains, but we break the sky. NepHack's the future, we taking it high. We bring the skills, next gen hype, shaping the future while you just type. You want the smoke, we bring the fire. NepHack's the top, we taking it higher. From zero to hero, we lead the pack. New kings of hacking, and that's a fact. Nepal's in the game, we break the mold. NepHack's revolution, solid gold.